What is retail POS software? Retail POS, or point-of-sale software, helps stores process payments, organize inventory, and manage customer and employee information so they can track sales data and scale their business. Common features of retail POS software include reporting and analytics, highlighting key insights into sales data with easy-to-read reports, and filtering options for pinpoint analysis. Customer management helps you track valuable customer contact information and purchase history, allowing you to send them personalized marketing. Inventory management automatically updates supply levels as sales are completed and provides alerts when product needs to be restocked. Our team of free advisors can give you a personalized shortlist of software options that fit your needs. Get customized matches in minutes by calling the number on your screen, or get connected with a free advisor by going to softwareadvice.com.